Today's featured car of the day is a 1973 AMC, American Motors Corporation Hornet two-door hatchback with a little surprise under the hood. This one has a 401 V8 with 500 horsepower, and as the license plate says, it is one bad AMC, that's for sure. And this one I filmed at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. And I managed to get a little clip of it running. You can hear what it sounds like. And unfortunately, he didn't do any revving or get on it at all. But if you notice, that's a police over on the side there parked, waiting for someone to do something stupid. And this guy wasn't going to oblige. So, but anyway, the Hornet 1973 was the redesign for it, and was also the first year for the hatchback. And they did quite a few different things to it. The front end was totally redone, had a new V-shaped grille. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next sound of the guy on his way in. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.